Hello everyone. Today we are diving into something super relevant for the Gen Z, especially the books that explore philosophy, AI, and mental health. So if you have been struggling in finding something with the meaningful material like with the tech dominated world, how you should survive or how AI is shaping our futures, I've got a list of books that will help you and I to learn something new. So let's explore something that connects our rapidly changing world of technology and how we feel in sync. First book is Atlas of AI, Power, Politics and the Planetary Cost of the Artificial Intelligence, written by the Kate Crawford. By using philosophical lens, the writer states that the book is the tale like something who is made by the human, designed by the human, is now criticizing human. Basically, he is showing the bigger picture, like the environmental cost, the political impact behind it. The kid, his book Atlas of AI is a must-read book. It shows that AI isn't just about the futuristic tool, it's built on a realistic consequences such as the labor exploitation, the environmental degradation. It's a perfect book if you want to understand the real cost behind the development of AI. Even if the phones are having AI in them, and really they are interrupting with your daily lives. So basically, if we are thinking, or I am talking with my friends like, oh, I have to go to shopping, I have to buy this thing. I actually have the footages of those things on my phone. Isn't it something questionable about this stuff? So that is the book you must read about. Relationships 5.0, How AI, VR, and robots will reshape our emotional lives, just written by Eli Kim Kislev. Sorry for the pronunciation. Next, let's talk about the Relationship 5.0. The book is for everyone wondering how technologies are changing the world order, just like AI and VR. Simply, it is like we have changed the way we used to connect with the people. It's just a fascinating book about how emotional lives are being reshaped by our machines. It's a deep dive into how technologies are influenced by everything from, like, we have just shuffled from being romantic, fascinating relationships to the AI friendships. I mean, like, you might have seen that when you're sitting alone, instead of talking to the people, you keep on using your phone. You keep on, I mean, like, even when I am sitting with the people, I might have to dial into using Meta instead of talking to the people. You might have seen Gen Z that people are often using the captions like, okay, do not talk to me, I am busy, or etc. So instead, people have started believing on machines or AI instead of their own blood relations. So that is how you must read the book. I repeat, the name is The Relationships 5.0,